Time to get a working on this thing. Yield electrics. I'm going to play on electrics. It could be fun, very fun. Got new batteries, so first thing I'm going to do is net them up in a series. That's probably going to involve some soldering as well. Good luck to that. Good luck to that. Here's the batteries that we're going to connect up in series. The first should be fairly simple. Got some nice thick blue wire here. Standard crimps. Bluey bluey. Squashy squashy. Crimpy crimpy. What's happened to you, like? It's not good. Well, I'll try to clean them up with some wire wool. Well, there's always a bloody problem in there. Problem. But we can solve the problem most of the time, as long as we've got the things at hand. However, the things that I should have the hand on here, they're gone. As much as I've organised this garage, as much as I can, it disappeared. So, these little blue ones, the diameter and size far too small for the thickness gauge of that. However, look at it. Vintage parts. Left banner grande. However, I don't think these are his. I think I'll just put them in there. And I think if I cut one strand off, which I don't think will affect it too much, I'll be able to get that to fit in and it'll be good. You reckon? I reckon. So, the red definitely doesn't fit because it's even smaller diameter. The clue was on the crimper, 1.5. Blue is 2.5. I need yellow. Yellow's huge, 6. Bit of a crap start. Found this. This just might be what saves we. Might burn out, I don't know. Like I say, I don't know about electrics. We'll give it a shot. That's what it's all about. Blowing yourself up. It's bloody empty. Got out then. Right, crimpity dimmed. How should I do this, you reckon? I reckon it's gonna spark. No sparks, that's good. Very good. Right, so I think I should test this. Hopefully it reads 36 volts. Let's have a look. Absolutely beautiful, just what I wanted. 38.66, that's good. That's good. Bloody excellent. Right, let this come off. Ew, so easy. That's a bit of a stupid design, isn't it? Reconnect this again. Right. Look at that. A bit turd in it. Got power.
Oh my gosh!
Don't really know what to do next. There are all sorts of buttons. Okie dokie. So, turns out this switch works. Great. You see that, baby? You see it? Let's ride this bitch out of here. Woohoo!
I like it.
Hang on, I'll put the seat on. Whoop, do not. Bit of success. Couple of issues we need to address here though. No brakes. Probably right. It's not there. Holding out on that little cover. Not much on the front. So, and look at this. What's that for? What does that do? Don't know. Don't know. A little bit. Just till it goes. Just till it goes. Get ready. You got to press down on that pedal. Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Good girl. That's it. Yeah. Right. Stop. Oh. The brakes fixed. It's just easy adjustment on there. Next time we get all the bodywork and everything sorted, get it painted looking nice. And here's the bat out of hell.
Hello.
Boop, boop.